Renting out a room in your house can be a practical way to generate extra income. Here's a concise guide. Prepare the room. Ensure the room is clean, well-maintained and furnished with essential amenities. Consider adding personal touches to make it welcoming. Understand legalities. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations regarding renting out rooms in residential properties. Comply with any licensing or zoning requirements. Set a competitive rent. Research the local rental market to determine a reasonable and competitive rent for your area. Consider factors like location, amenities, and room size. Create a listing. Craft an appealing online listing with clear photos, a detailed description of the room, and any house rules. Platforms like Craigslist, Airbnb, or specialized rental websites can be used. Screen potential tenants. Screen potential tenants by conducting interviews and checking references. This helps ensure a good fit with your living situation. Establish clear house rules. Clearly communicate house rules regarding shared spaces, quiet hours, and any specified guidelines to maintain a harmonious living environment. Prepare a rental agreement. Draft a comprehensive rental agreement outlining terms such as rent amount, payment schedule, and the duration of the lease. Include any house rules or expectations. Security deposit. Request a security deposit to cover potential damages. Clearly define the conditions under which the deposit will be returned. Communicate effectively. Maintain open communication with your tenant. Address concerns promptly and encourage a positive living atmosphere. Respect tenant privacy. Respect your tenant's privacy and provide reasonable notice before entering their rented space.